Hello Scorpio, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for July the 8th to July the 10th. No? So Scorpio, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Mangilan-ngilan po tayong reading doon. So, you might want to check that out. Promise po, mag-post po tayo ng regular readings din sa Babaylan TV. So, subscribe na rin. Ginagamit ko po yung channel na yun for live, no? Well, most likely for live. Pero, again, may mga readings po. You might want to check that out. Pwede po kayong sumali. You are very much welcome. No? So, Scorpio, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, no? Kuhat muna tayo ng mga cards para makita natin kung ano yung nangyayari. Wow! Wow! Parang pakiramdam ko dito, either whether this is a third-party situation or sabihin natin mutual understanding, no? Pwede rin naman ito din sa mga may jowa, pero parang feeling ko patago, no? Ito yung parang tinatawag natin either secret love, hindi pwedeng i-announce, no? Or meron akong reputasyon na sabihin natin inaalagaan, no? It felt like for you, hindi na, ayoko ng ganitong relasyon, diba? Ayoko ng relasyon na hindi proud sa akin yung person ko, diba? Sino nga naman yung magugustuhan niya? Parang sa'yo kasi, bakit ba hindi mo ako minamaite? Hindi mo ako pinopose? Hindi mo pa ako pinapakilala, no? Sa mga parents mo or sa mga friends mo. You felt like there was a request, no? Pero hindi nangyari. I feel like yung sa'yo, probably you gave an ultimatum, no? Na kailangan na nilang malaman or else I'm out, diba? Hindi dahil gusto ko lang ma-flex, no? Hindi dahil gusto ko lang kumbaga, for the sake of masabing may relasyon ako, no? Kasi iba din kasi yung feeling na alam ng mga tao kung sino yung nagmamay-ari sa'yo. I can definitely understand that, Scorpio. So, what you did was, you call it quits kasi you feel like naglolokohan lang tayong dalawa. No? What I am seeing here is chances are, hindi mo siya kinausap, lumayo ka. So this is a mixture of physical and energetic separation. Yung iba, you block the person. No? Ephemeral. So what I am seeing in here, no, kasi the moth is one of the tinatawag natin intelligent, animals, especially when they morph. This also symbolizes either death or luck, diba? With the crescent, I think that you wanted to receive a cycle. You wanted to feel, because you feel like you're very stuck into some, a specific place, wherein it's not happy anymore. I feel like I was placed in a box, ang sikip-sikip, hindi ako makahinga. No? I wanted to know how it feels like to be placed in a pedestal, the star, right? Um, Parang kahit sa akin, parang ikinakahiya mo ba ako? There is a demand here, or probably a request, no, or a prayer. I need you to declare my love. Mm. So, what I am seeing in here, you call it quits. Ayaw ko na kung ganito lang tayo, no? Na, tama na, tapos na tayo. Ayaw ko yung mga ganitong loko-lokohan. Now, more of, ang napapansin ko dito, binigay mo lahat. Parang hindi ka nakakita ng way para itago ka. You even changed how you look for the person, no? Kasi at one point in time, probably, yung insecurity natin nag-sink in or kicks in. I think may maghahabol. I believe this person, pag nagpakita, no, meron siyang regalo. This is not to bribe, hindi para putupin ka, hindi para bilhin yung oo mo. I feel like there is a realization in here that I should have done it a long time ago. Pero ang gusto kong i-clarify yung all that glitters. Kasi medyo sneaky sa akin yung all that glitters. So, lalapit ka ba sa akin dahil gusto mo lang akong balikan or this is really sincere? Kasi para sa akin, itong regalo, medyo sneaky na rin no? The Six of Vessels and the Ten of Swords. Sabihin natin, sobrang namimiss kita. Sobra itong yung pangulila ko, no, nung nawala ka. Lalo na nung umayaw ka sa relationship. Tatapusin ko na yung pagiging sneaky. Sige na, please, i-unblock mo ako, no? I feel like, for some numbers of you, baka sa'yo pa nga ipa-manage na itong Facebook account niya, no? Sa'yo na yung password, no? And I feel like, ipapakilala ka na. Kasi nalungkot siya no? Nalungkot siya. I think that your person is wondering, what are you doing right now? No? May mga investments dito. I think what you did here, parang binuhusan mo siya na malamig na tubig. Niyanig mo siya, no? Parang pinakita mo sa kanya na eto ang mararanasan mo kapag wala ako. It's probably risky for you. Medyo natakot tayo doon. No, wala naman ito sa pag-aano, parang panloloko, no, na natakot tayo. Pero sinubukan natin, naging risk taker tayo, kumbaga. So, eto na yung inaantay natin. I think that this person is going to do this not because you want it, no, hindi lang para makuha ka ulit. Your person also understand the value of the connection, and I think that this is really the time for them to really invest and morph the connection into something that needs to be done a long time ago. This is the time wherein you're going to be placed in a pedestal, and I think that your person here is going to chase after you, and probably there will be posts here of both of you together. I think that kung ano man yung mga blockage dito, no? Ito yung mga tinatawag nating mga balakid nga, no, tatanggalin yan na. And I think that this is also created by your person. Itong pagka-miss niya sa'yo, ito yung parang pinaka-worst na nangyari sa buhay niya, no? Kasi sanay siyang nandyan ka. I think that you also created something na codependency, no? If that's your trick, that's your trick, no? But it works for you, no? So, Scorpio, this is your reading. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate or hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylat TV. No? So, nagla-live po tayo doon. Usually, doon talaga ako nagla-live. Pero as promised, magpo-post na rin po ako ng mga nilan-nilan pong readings. Meron naman po mga readings doon. No? So, regularly, might as well subscribe na rin. Scorpio, kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no, sa description box po ng video na ito, meron po dong link. Either you have to copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website or webpage, no? Nandun po lahat ng information, how much per questions, the mode of payment, no? The QR codes. And if you also want to book a personal reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. So love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.